Welcome to Digital Income Secrets and congratulations on joining. Thank you for investing in yourself and making a powerful decision to start your own digital business today. Let me be very clear. You didn't buy just a small course. You stepped into a complete digital business. Digital Income Secrets is the only system you'll ever need. No fluff, no guessing, no jumping from course to course. Inside the platform, you'll see different buttons. Each one has a specific purpose: training, resources, and tools to help you implement step by step. Make sure you review every single one. Now, pay close attention to the subscription. The subscription is the best and smartest way to scale in this business. It gives you ongoing support, mentorship, and most importantly, I help you close your sales every week so you can move faster and get consistent results. Make sure you ask your sales rep about the subscription and all its benefits, and ask them for their subscription link. If you're a beginner, that's okay. At first, this may feel overwhelming. We all start there. Be patient with yourself. This works because it's built around Amazon, one of the most trusted companies in the world. After you've gone through the whole course, if you need help or clarity, you can always ask our bot, "This is it," or reach out to our support team at hola@thisacademy.online. One last important thing. Always check the announcement channel and the pinned messages daily for important updates and next steps. You're in the right place. Welcome to Digital Income Secrets. Let's get to work.